the Andhra Pradesh government has decided to withdraw the 3 capitals proposal and has decided to repeal the laws paving way for 3 capitals for Andhra Pradesh. And so now Andhra Pradesh will only have the 1 capital like most other states. You will remember that Andhra Pradesh was set to have 3 capitals. It was to have an executive capital in Visakhapatnam, a legislative capital in Amaravati, and a judicial capital in Kurnool. However, now the YS Jagan Mohan Reddy-led government has decided to scrap this plan. It will repeal this law and it will only have 1 capital in Amaravati. We have Aneri joining us. Aneri, please tell us what has precipitated this decision and what this decision now means from an operational point of view. What will be the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Aneri.
Well, that's right. We have been seeing a big decision coming from the Andhra Pradesh government, as we have been seeing the government has withdrawn the decision and they have submitted to the High Court, stating that the government is taking back its decision to withdraw the 3 capital bill in the assembly, where we will also be seeing Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister YS Jagan Mohan Reddy making a statement in the state assembly soon, in some time from now. But this is definitely a big decision, because we have been seeing thousands of farmers who have been protesting since last over 1.5 years to 700 days. It's been almost 600 to 700 days that the farmers of Amravati have been protesting for only 1 capital, as the Jagan government had earlier come up with a bill stating that there will be 3 capitals, 1 in Amravati, another one in Visakhapatnam, and the 3rd capital, the judicial capital, in Kurnool of Andhra Pradesh.
Right, Aneri, I am told we have YSRCP spokesperson E. Rajashekar Reddy joining us. Mr. Rajashekar Reddy, what has caused this decision by the Jagan Mohan Reddy-led government, and have they taken a U-turn on their own bill? I'm afraid we'll try again for Mr. Rajashekar Reddy, and we will get someone from the YSRCP on this. But this is big news coming in from Andhra Pradesh. There will be only 1 capital, that is Amaravati, not the 3 capitals. We'll be getting you more on this story on Republic and Republic World, more after this.